Hello guys, welcome to Aiden's Gaming Zone. Hello guys, welcome to Aiden's Gaming Zone. And this is my robot, new robot. Ghost robot and a smart robot. And my name is Aiden. It's my first video and I'm gonna open this box for you.
One eternity later.
What about the controller? Ini baru. Let's smash. And how does this work? I think it will flow. Hey, we have the controller. It works now. Here, this is the controller, and let's test it. Shoot. Okay, now. Let's try another one. No singing time. Nothing robot. Oh, whistle. I cannot do whistle. So, excuse me, Mr. Robot. Toy, and it even got it. Let's see. Lost. One. Stop making whistling noise. Close. Close. Oh, I got it. Yeah. One, two, three. That was fun dancing music. Yeah! It's a bit tricky. See, it up objects. It does. And drink. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Give me a like button or subscribe if you want to see more videos. Bye bye.